after the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi claimed that he wasn't allowed to speak in the Lok Sabha, he has once again doubled down on this attack on the government. In fact, Rahul Gandhi has now reiterated that he does not know what the government was scared of. Just yesterday, remember, Rahul Gandhi had alleged that when he attempted to raise the issue of unemployment, the speaker ran away. Now reiterating the charge, listen in to what Rahul Gandhi has said.
In 0 hour today, will they be allowed today?
I'm not allowed to speak, brother. I don't know what they're scared of. Sir, you should say this on camera, sir, please.
I said, look, as LOP, let me speak. Let me say what he just ran away. So I don't understand what is going on. This is no way to run the house, frankly. I mean, literally, speaker उठ के मतलब एकदम निकल गए मुझे मतलब एक शब्द नहीं बोलने दिया और पहले मेरे बारे में कुछ बोलने हैं वो भी बिल्कुल पता नहीं क्या बोला अनसब्सटेंशिएटेड और फिर मतलब मैं खड़ा हुआ मैंने कहा कि देखिए मुझे बोलने दीजिए आपने मेरे बारे में कुछ बोला है घूम कर चले गए और कोई मतलब अर्जन कर दिया कोई जरूरत नहीं थी पता नहीं नो आई एम देखिए मुझे हाउस में जब भी मैं उठता हूँ एक कन्वेंशन है लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन को बोलने दिया जाता है भैया ये माइक मेरे मुंह में मत लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन को एक कन्वेंशन है कि बोलने दिया जाता है जब भी मैं खड़ा होता हूँ मुझे बोलने नहीं दिया जाता है ठीक है तो पता नहीं मतलब ये किस प्रकार से हाउस चल रहा है जो हम कहना चाहते हैं हमें कहने नहीं देते हैं
My colleague Tejshri is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Tejshri, on one hand, Rahul Gandhi says that he is not being allowed to speak. Every time he stands up, he is immediately shut out. That's the claim that he has made. The BJP, though, claims that this is an absolute lie. And like other Congress leaders, Rahul Gandhi is also free to speak. What's happening in the parliament? Because Rahul Gandhi yet again says that the government is scared.
Yes, well, absolutely. You see, this is not for the first time that, Congress leaders are leveling up such kind of severe and big allegation. And in fact, remember that earlier also Rahul Gandhi has made this charge within the parliament that whenever he stands to speak, his mic is put on mute. And not just that, but he has spoken this particular about this particular thing in the parliament as well. In fact, he has also stated that whenever he stands to speak or whenever he raises the question, particularly about unemployment or about the work that has been done by the government in the past 10 years. At that particular point of time, his mic is mute, and in fact, not just that, but several claims have also been repeated by the Congress leaders also. And in fact, now again, Rahul Gandhi has hit out at the BJP and in fact has questioned so as to the leader of opposition has the right to speak, but when he is speaking, his mic is put on mute. And in fact, earlier also we have seen that when such kind of claims are made, they also question the democratic values in the parliament. And in fact, now we'll have to see that how BJP reacts to it, because earlier we have seen that BJP has always refuted the allegations and the claims that have been made by the Congress party, and BJP has on and on saying that the parliament works according to the rules, the laws, the constitution, and each and every member is allowed to speak. There's nothing like the mic is muted. In fact, earlier you also remember that whenever there is a chance of the parliament to speak, each and every member gets a chance to speak, whether it's a question hour, whether it's a 0 hour, is what's being mentioned by the BJP leaders. Well, now since Rahul Gandhi has come again in front of media and has said and have made this particular claim that he is not allowed to speak, we'll have to see that what happens and how he takes it forward. Will he be complaining, and in fact, will BJP be again attacking him on his claim? Back to you.
Okay, all right. Let's listen into what Rahul Gandhi has said. Previously as well, he had claimed that when he wanted to speak in the parliament, he was not allowed to do so. Now, yet again saying that the government is scared.
0 hour today, will they be allowed today?
I'm not allowed to speak, brother. I don't know what they're scared of. Sir, you should say this on camera, sir, please.
In 0 hour today, will they be allowed today?
I'm not allowed to speak, brother. I don't know what they're scared of. Sir, you should say this on camera, sir, please.
Now, Rahul Gandhi has previously made the claim as well. On several occasions, he has alleged that his microphone was switched off in the Lok Sabha when he attempted to raise pressing issues. In fact, this fresh remark by Rahul Gandhi has stoked a massive political storm, with the Vipaksh claiming that if the leader of opposition is not allowed to speak inside the parliament by the speaker, then it's a dangerous time for democracy. On the other hand, the BJP has alleged that it has become the habit of the opposition to defame the chair time and again.
राहुल गांधी खुद अपोजिशन लीडर होते हुए भी संसद के सभागृह में कभी बैठते ही नहीं हैं, कभी आते भी नहीं हैं। एलओपी का काम रहता है शुरुआत से लेके अंत तक बैठना, सभागृह में क्या चल रहा है वो देखना, जो सरकार की नीति है उसके ऊपर अपना कहना जो सभागृह में प्रस्तापित करना, लेकिन वो सभागृह में बैठते ही नहीं। आए तो 2 मिनट आते हैं, बचपने जैसे